We are at the tomb of Saint Lazarus. We actually walked down something like 20, 30 stairs. A bit steep, slippery. And the tomb himself is down there. Moish, can I יכול לעבור שלוש שם? All right, sorry. I'm feeling dumb. Then I've already been there, but didn't take a video from here. Then here it is, the tomb of Saint Lazarus. To go in is through there. And let me first go. תן לי רגע לעבור בבקשה. And if you will wait with me, I will climb up. Then I want you to see the way out. But it's a big group that will try to do that. There it is. Hey, Then let me wait. I want to see a coat. I want to see. Hey, I enter into the tomb. I'm being blessed, and now I'm a little bit dirty. Wait.
You've got to go with the flow.
You are 10 years old. What do you mean by that? Because you're young. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, fat man is trying to move. Thank you. Thank you very much. I did it. Of course. Yeah. Here it is from one side. And this is Lazy Hazy. And let me take a video of the tomb from that side. You can see it. Bethany, tomb of Saint Lazarus.